Hello everyone, it's Donna, and today I'm here with another Embird video. This one's probably going to be a fairly quick video. Earlier I had done a video on how to map some fonts in here that you purchase. You may purchase a BX font or a font that you like. But you don't have in brilliance and stuff. And I showed you how to map it here where you can use your keyboard just to type the letters in. I'll try to leave a link to the video in the description below this if you want to go ahead and watch it. But anyway, this one is for how to map actual embroidery designs. And I know a lot of people that do things like stitch little birthday shirts and stuff like that. They may have their little unicorns or the numbers or whatever that they will do the name and then merge that design in. So I know that some people sell designs like that in a BX format, but I'm going to show you how to do it in Embird, and it might make your life a little bit easier. And what we're going to do is, as you can see, I'm in Embird Editor, and I'm going to go under Insert and then say Ready-Made Alpha Text. And this is a font that I have, and I'm going to actually click on this little folder over here with the plus on there. It's to add another folder here, and here I'm going to say add folder. And what I'm going to do is come up here, and I had this font selected, and I have to kind of redo some things here, but what I'm going to do is scroll down to, say, this cute little monsters, and then I've got the PEZ files. Since I'm a digitizer, I've got a lot of different formats and stuff, but to make this work, you need to have like all your PEZ files, if that's the format that you use, in one little folder, and not have your Jeff and your Hus and your DST files and stuff like that, just the format that you need. So I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to say OK, and you're going to see these designs come up. And the reason that you see two of these is they are actually a 4x4 and a 5x7. I know because I digitized these. So say I want to add a 4x4 of this one. So what I'm going to do is say OK, and you'll see it. It's the 4x4. And if I want to do the B again, and just to show you, if I do the B, oh sorry, the B is the 5x7, the A is the 4x4. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and delete this one out, and this one I can move, I can turn, I can do whatever. So next, if I wanted to put a name under here, I could go back into the Insert, Ready Made, and I am going to select this again, and I can pick my font. These are ones I've already loaded, and as you saw, we just added the cute monster, so it's here from now on. And I am actually going to go into the spooky, and I'm going to say OK, and it's going to bring me up my letters. So say I want to say David. Okay, and it's going to come up, and we can move this down here. We can move this up, and you would have that like that. Now let's delete this. Insert. Trying to think if I've got another font. Vagabond. Let's see what that one looks like. It's loading the file. So each one of these fonts, since it's not a built-in one, you would have to do it yourself. So this is a David. I'm going to go ahead and strip these out. So I've got David right here, and I'm going to move them down, and this one I'm going to go ahead and insert my ready-made alpha again. I'll come back up to my cute monsters. You'll see the OK. Now we know this is 5x7 and 4x4. Say I want this little guy. I'll click him. Oops. I got all of them. Haha. Let's do that. Sorry about that. Let's insert the ready-made alpha again, and the reason it got all of them is because I had this down here. It took every one that it had. So let's just do the G. Say OK, there's the G, and now you may take your David. We're going to make it last. Well, first. Stitch order, we're going to make this one first, okay? And this one will be last. Now, we may want to edit this, rotate it to the right, rotate it to the left, rotate to the left again, and let's get it under 3D. So you saw I resized that. Now, I don't know how resizing all of these fonts would work too well. I see there's a gap there. So I wouldn't suggest resizing. But if you know that you're going to have a font that, say, the letters are like a 2-inch or something like that, you could go ahead and select that just like you would, say, with one of a competitor's fonts that come in multiple sizes. You would select the size that's appropriate. And just like within Brilliance, when you have to have the different size fonts in there, you would actually have to map the different size fonts here. So if I were to go here, let's go back up. On this Spooky, right now, I only have one size of this font, and this is old font, and I doubt very seriously if I would make it a larger size. But say I have this, go ahead and get the files up here. So I have this, say I had, like, say this was 2-inch or something, and I had a 3-inch. There would be like different directories for each sizes, and then you would select the size and go with the way you wanted. Anyway, this was just a quick video to show you how you can get some of your files in, so that when you're in Editor, you don't have to actually remember where they are. You just know that, hey, I've got my cute little monsters here, and there they are. There's one that I was playing with another time. So it's just, play around with it. You could, do various little parts of designs to combine in here to create your own unique embroideries. so you can customize stuff pretty quick. So I may do something else on that a little bit later. But anyway, this is just a quick little video to show you how to do different things in Embird. Talk to you later. Bye.